Shadow, what are you doing? Uh, blame me in the tunnel switch. Why are you doing that? Because you always snore every single time I'm in bed. You always do that every single time, night time. You start snoring and I can't get any sleep. So right now I need a rest. Oh, I know what you mean. Sometimes I always snore a lot. My parents does. That's because you never tell them to be quiet. Okay. Put that game away. Then go to bed. Okay. Alright. If I may get some rest. You better not snore